What I have is a 1.5-year-old grandson.
What the hell is the world coming to?
Nope.
Nope.
What?
Who had a cold, who likes to kiss his pop.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I just don't want to miss it when you burst into flames.
So dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Hello, everyone. Let me start by apologizing for the slight cold I have.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
Excuse me, I have a little cold. Excuse me for the cold.
We do not care.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.